DESAI Classic Oxford dress shoes are a solid choice for anyone who wants a high-quality, stylish shoe for formal occasions. The design stands out, crafted by an Italian designer and built using full-grain leather. The handmade coloring process and Goodyear-style craftsmanship give these shoes a classic yet sophisticated look that complements any formal attire. Whether you're headed to a wedding, business meeting, or a fancy party, these shoes can really elevate your overall style. One of the biggest pros is the full-grain leather material. It not only gives the shoes a polished professional look, but also ensures durability. The breathability is another bonus. Even after wearing them for extended periods, the shoes feel comfortable thanks to the full-grain pigskin lining and sweat-absorbent insole. Your feet stay dry, which is important when you're on your feet for hours at a time. One minor con to mention, though, is that they might take some time to break in. Like many leather shoes, they can feel a bit stiff at first, so you need to wear them a few times before they fully mold to your feet. But once they do, they become more comfortable. In conclusion, if you're looking for a durable, stylish dress shoe that offers both comfort and quality, the DESAI Classic Oxford shoes are a great option. They're perfect for anyone who values craftsmanship and wants a pair of shoes that can handle multiple occasions.